We also honor our patron Saint Joseph the Worker, whose example of humility and faith inspires us our daily work. To the Lakad Foundation Inc., member agencies, DPID Matalom family, us, CSOs, mga kaubang opisyal sa lungsod o barangay, LGU employees, mga bisita, and to all dedicated public servants, maayong buntag kanatong tanan. On behalf of the local government unit, it is my honor and a great joy to welcome all of you to today's tripartite celebration of 7th Service Week Alay, Lakad, and Family Day. As we celebrate the 125th Philippine Service Anniversary, we carry the theme, Bawat Kawani, Lingkod Bayan, Puso, Dangal, at Galing para sa Bayan. This theme is remind us that each government worker is more than just a public servant. You are heroes in your own right, in your daily commitment to duty, in the small and big sacrifices you make, and in the compassion you extend to our people. You help turn the vision of a bagong Pilipinas into a living reality. This day is also made special our Alay Lakad activity, where every step we take symbolizes hope for youth. I would like to express my sincere appreciation to the member agencies for our unwavering support. With your generosity,